Hey everybody, this is Carl Wheezer. I'm taking place of Cody for the night. We're gonna play some God of War while I talk about Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom. How's it going, guys? Mainly Gamers here. Cody and Josh back to play some more God of War.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, dear.
We're gonna talk about Jimmy's mom.
Alright, so apparently this thing wants me to do a light runic attack.
Hey,
so we're gonna do it.
Do a light runic attack.
Magic son. I'm a magician.
I am the dark magician.
Want me to do that little quarter trick behind your ear? Oh, look, there it is.
Hey, was this your card? Of course it was.
Oh.
All right, so what? Last episode. It's been a while since we recorded.
Yeah, it's been a week since a week or so since recording, and I'm trying to remember where we are. And
So-
I think we just left our house. We're on this grand adventure, and oh, hey, our son's about to die.
Really?
Oh gosh.
Really? We just started.
Atreyu, I can't even leave the house without you trying to die. Hang on, son.
Boy, why do you have to be so dumb?
Boy, you clearly have your mother's genes.
Almost there.
You're gonna die, boy.
I don't want to die. I still haven't seen Jimmy's mom. Oh!
God, fucking. Literally. Oh, Danger Boys.
Danger, Will Robinson. Slow down.
You said Will Robinson.
Will Robinson. Really?
Are these all? I hope they're not. Are they aggroed?
I don't know.
Oh, Jimmy's
Look
mom.
judging by how hard Kratos' nipple is, I'm assuming they are.
Oh, Kratos' nipple.
His nipples get hard when action occurs.
Action.
Not dead, not dead.
Oh,
Ooh, we got levels.
Oh my god, Jimmy's mom.
Enemy difficulty. Enemy difficulty is represented by the color and number near the health bar.
Cody, I'm glad you can read.
Oh boy, it's a freaking RPG.
Oh, that boy's green.
Yeah, he's fucked.
He's a greeny boy.
Come on, boys.
Oh no, he is getting fucked.
Oh.
Oh.
Anyone else wants up? Oh, you want some? Who else wants up? Oh, wait, come on over here. Give me a hug.
Oh, he's a tawny boy.
That one was for Jimmy's mom. Yeah. That one was for the llamas.
Dude.
Yeah.
Do you think they could get this game? I don't know if this game can be mod support or if someone's tried mod supporting it.
Oh, I'm sure there's people who's modded this.
Do you think someone could make a mod where they reimagine Kratos as like fucking Carl, but Carl's got the fucking red stripe down his face, and all he does is Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom. Holy crap, we got more of them. Oh
And
gosh.
Sheen can be fucking Atreus.
Take out those archers, son.
Can you do an Atreus? Not Atreus. Fucking. Can you do a Sheen impression? You know
That one really puts a number on the vocal cords.
Yeah,
though.
I feel like you should have to say Ultra Lord a bunch.
This is Ultra Lord!
Was there anything else that Sheen used to say in the show? Because all I remember is like,
Lord, you wife, Lady Macbeth approaches. Alright. We just gotta kill this archer here.
oh, his salami leg, his salami leg, your salami leg, my salami leg.
Or Kyle's shoes.
Oh fuck, it's right. Carl didn't even say that. It was fucking Sheen or Jimmy.
Give me that health.
Only once.
Boy, I always have to save your ass.
Boy. Fuck.
Boy. Oh, boy, you dropped your cell phone.
Boy, I didn't set the timer. Boy. No, we're fine.
Boy. Put my axe away, boy.
Look at this.
Oh, we got ancient hieroglyphics. Read it, boy.
Ultra Lord.
This used to be a marketplace. The giants used to
Jimmy's
gather here to
mom's
trade with
cookies.
gods a long time ago.
Hey, Jimbo.
I sure would like a taste of Jimmy's mom's cookies.
Something up
Not those kind of cookies, that's what you're thinking!
Hey, Jimbo Bambo Bambo.
Hey, gibbity, habity. Diddly, howdy. Oh, we got big boys.
Ooh, big boy.
Ooh, big boy,
That's
shield up.
that's like medium-sized boy. That's not like truly
Yeah,
red
but he's
boy.
bigger than the other boys. He wasn't. Oh, fists aren't gonna work. Oh gosh.
You want some boy?
No.
Do you think if you just offered Atreus as a sacrifice, they just walk away? In the
Please
game.
don't take me. Take the boy. Whoa. Hey, that's my boy.
Boy, friend.
Oh, no. I like to picture whenever Kratos goes into like Spartan rage mode, he goes like Randy Marsh.
He goes Terry Crews in Old Spice commercials.
You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
You do a swan kick from karate.
Nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
Cody, that was pretty good. That was
We gotta
pretty
dodge
good.
and weave.
You can dodge a wrench. You can dodge a ball.
Look at him.
and
Oh man,
weave.
he just got straight up screwed there, man.
Bob and weave.
Oh, is that all you got? I fought stronger pussies than you and Nom.
When did Kratos turn into a war vet?
Dude, he's the god of war, man.
Fuck
Of
you.
course he's been in some wars.
Was he in 2? Was he in Nam? Was he in Korea? Which wars have he
I
been
was
in,
in all
Cody?
wars.
Do you think Kratos has been? Do you think they'll bring God of War to the mainstream?
Yes.
To where like there'll be a version of Kratos like storming Normandy, and he's got a fucking gun in his hands, and then there's like futuristic like Call of Duty bullshit where he's like in space dealing with shit. Just fucking, I don't know, like alien isolation bullshit, and he's fighting fucking Predator. Next thing you fucking know, there's Arnold Schwarzenegger saying, kill me now! Like,
Get to the chopper.
do it! Just kill me! Did you ever watch Predator?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool.
What kind
Good.
of ugly motherfucker are you?
Do it now!
Oh, gotta get all this health because I got my ass handed to me in that one.
I mean, you're fine.
Oh yeah,
Predator-
we're sitting pretty now.
Predator did not kill you.
Predator didn't kill me. I sent all those bastards straight to hell.
But was it really hell?
No, it was.
Was it-
yeah, it's hell. In,
Was it
in this-
Helheim? Was it Purgatory? Was it the McDonald's bathroom?
No, I mean sick. Tomato.
I mean, yeah.
Oh no,
Oh.
I hate these bastards.
What are they? I don't know what
We're
they are.
about to fight a witch, and they are a pain in the ass.
Like the ones from Left 4 Dead?
No, but
Oh.
boy howdy, I'm glad we're not fighting those guys.
Boy howdy.
Boy howdy.
Ooh, things and stuff. Oh, it's Dark Souls.
Things and stuff. Stuff.
Dark
and
Souls.
things.
No, it's Dark Souls.
All right, hang on.
Did you know that this game is like Dark Souls? Because everything's like Dark Souls?
Yeah, everything's Dark Souls now, including Crash Bandicoot.
Everything.
Speaking of Crash Bandicoot, I know this is like a year or so late, but I just downloaded the Insane Trilogy about a week or so ago.
On what? PS4? Switch?
PS4.
On the PS4. I don't know if you bought it for the Switch because that just
And
came out recently for
like,
the Switch.
my gosh, is that game harder than I remember?
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah. You gotta let the boy take care of this witch.
Boy.
That's it, son. Just like I taught you.
Almost there.
Just like I taught you. You know who didn't teach you? Your mom. Because she's dead. Oh, gosh, Dad, really? Really? It's a little too soon for that. Oh, son. We're going to have a long adventure of dead mom jokes.
Can you voice Kratos as Jimmy's dad? Just for like at least this episode, and then voice Atreus as Carl for the rest
Oh,
of the
man,
rhythm.
I remember when I was with your mom. Babble, babble, babble. That's all she did.
Babble,
Babble, babble, babble. So I killed her.
Babble, babble.
Matter of fact, that's your mom right now, Jimbo. That's your mom right now on screen.
Oh,
Oh
that's
my
Jimmy's
gosh.
mom.
Yeah, these battles can get real tedious at the beginning of the game, but like you'll get so overpowered by the end of the game that they'll just be like normal.
That you straight up one shot Jimmy's mom.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
James Isaac Neutron.
Do you remember the
Oh,
episode? Do you remember the episode where they made that sleepover pizza machine and it made the nightmare pizza? Do you remember that? Do you remember? Can we get a picture of that?
Ah,
That nightmare pizza.
what happened to your hitbox for a minute there?
Babble, babble, where's your hitbox?
Babble, babble, where's your hitbox? Come on, son. I can't miss you if you don't leave. Come on, son. We gotta upgrade them arrows. There we go.
But Jimmy's dead.
Jimmy's mom's dead. Oh no.
I have to settle for Jimmy's dad. Babble, babble.
Well, Jimbo, looks like Carl's gonna be your new mother-in-law.
What? Hey, Jimmy.
Oh, Jimmy, it's like a dream come true.
Jimmy, have you seen your mom lately?
Okay, there's a way we can get down there, but I can't remember where we
Jump.
do it.
Jump.
We can go down here.
Jump. Jump.
Oh, I remember.
The amount of shit you've jumped off and fell off of, I feel like you should be able to
literally
just fucking jump down there.
trying, Josh,
I
but
feel
it won't
Kratos
let
should be
me.
able to say fuck it and not die by jumping down there.
Exactly.
But you know
There
what?
is a way down there, but I can't remember right at this very moment in time. Let's go down here. Oh wait, I know how we can do it. Silly me.
Still don't understand
Tricks are for
why that
kids.
man attacked
All
you
right,
at our house.
we can go down here, but there's like an
told you
overpowered
I
enemy
know nothing
right now.
more of it.
But screw it, I'm gonna do it anyways because I'm a badass.
Because you know what? Babble, babble,
Babble, babble, babble.
babble, babble. I don't feel like I'm doing fucking Jimmy Neutron. What was Jimmy Neutron's dad's name?
Oh boy, here we go.
What was his
Oh
name?
shit.
Almost ready.
Yeah, son, use those arrows. He's level 3. He's gonna fuck us up.
Was his
This
name?
guy can kill us in like 2 or 3 hits.
I don't care. What I'm trying to find out, Cody, is what Jimmy's dad's name was, and if memory
name
serves.
is Hugh.
Okay, thank you.
I'm trying to survive right now, Josh.
Babble, babble, babble.
Oh god. That's it, son. Keep hitting him with them arrows.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Oh, did that not do? Okay, that kind of did something. Oh, you're whittling down. He's fine. Just
Oh,
don't,
God.
Don't get cornered, Cody. Don't get cornered. Cody, don't. You're cornering yourself. Don't get cornered. Cody, don't get cornered. What I say? Don't get cornered.
Shit.
Nick has neighbors. We need to be quiet.
Get fucked.
Sorry, Nicholas.
Zool, motherfucker. Yeah, that's it. Go after my son. Go after him. He's shooting the arrows at you.
Pay attention, Cody. Cody.
He's the one shooting the
Cody.
arrows at you.
Cody, don't. You're psyching yourself out. Be a big boy.
Dude, look how like
Be a
Kratos
big
is
boy.
just like had enough. He's
You'll be
covered in
fine. You
blood.
almost have your rage filled up. You'll be fine. Just
As long as I don't take another hit.
Just bob and weave. Bob and weave.
Oh,
bob,
God.
bob and weave, Cody. Back up. You have, just keep on backing up.
That's it. Keep hitting him. Keep hitting him. Look, he's the one shooting you with arrows. I'm not doing shit.
Back
I'm not
up.
doing
Cody,
shit.
just back up. Cody, just fucking back up. Just fucking back up. Just fucking back up. Don't. Just back up, Cody.
Shut up.
You have so much space.
That's what I'm doing, Josh.
You weren't 2 seconds ago.
That's what I'm doing, Josh.
Now back
Oh,
up.
God.
Back up, Cody. Back.
I don't want to corner myself, though.
Backing up.
Atreyu. Atreyu.
No, Atreyu's a band. His
Atreyu
name's
is-
Atreus. Atreyu's a band.
Sorry, I'm
Cody.
thinking of the never-ending story. Atreyu.
Actually, you might be able to kill him with. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
21 XP.
Who's the
Totally
man?
worth it.
Who's the man?
to-
I'm the man.
Yeah, after you were losing your shit for 5 minutes.
Hey, I still killed him.
And don't. Yeah, I can't say you didn't.
All right.
We have video
Let's
proof.
open this chest.
Oh,
Oh, hey, look, son, it's your dead body. It's your mom's dead body.
Oh, it's Jimmy's mom.
It's Jimmy's mom. Oh, and a couple of dead llamas, too.
Smells awful.
It smells awful.
Wait, what do you used to say about mamas and shit in the show? What was it?
He had, like, this major hard-on for llamas.
Do you remember things he would say about llamas? Because I don't remember anything about llamas.
I mean, I know they were
And they're really mad.
animals.
Well, yeah, I know, but I don't know if there was any like things that Carl would say about like, oh, llamas.
He was watching, like, Llamas After Dark on one episode, I remember. and Jimmy comes in and, like, literally he changes the channel. All right, I can't remember how I came in here. Oh, no, we're not stuck. Get out of here. Come on, boy.
Could someone confirm in the comments below, is Llamas After Dark a thing?
Josh,
Not
yes.
in real life. I mean in Jimmy Neutron. I don't want to know.
Josh, you assume people will watch this?
Cody, I can believe. I
Oh,
can
I
believe.
believe.
What's that?
I believe I can fly. Oh, what do we got here?
I guess we need to get back
looks
up
like a
there.
fence.
Oh, we need to get back
But
up to
how?
that torch. There's
Looks like fire.
well, Jimbo, we got to climb up there to that fire.
Babble, babble.
Babble, babble, babble. Just like your mom did before I killed her.
She just babble, babble.
She just babble,
Cody,
That's exactly how it happened, Jimbo.
Cody. I don't know.
Oh gosh.
I don't know how many people you choked out in your life. I'm pretty sure that's not how it fucking sounds.
Yeah, that's right.
Killer.
God of War, man.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
I can do whatever I want.
I mean,
Oh gosh.
if you could
Come to daddy.
if you can strangle Jimmy's mom like that, you can probably do it.
Oh Oh, Roman Reigns the shit out of that guy.
Fisted so hard.
Da-da, 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 da-da.
I think people would probably like Roman Reigns more if, you know, he was actually the God of War.
You know, could, like, be a man.
Man.
Be a man, be a man. Gonna get yourself. Now you're the man. I want to see my shiny, axe.
Shing, shing.
Come on over here.
Three gold doubloons.
What do we got here? I can't reach it.
What is that thing actually? What
I don't know, but I can't reach it until I kill this guy.
Oh, kill that boy. Kill that stone boy. Oh, now you can get the things.
All right, you collect it.
What is it? What is it? Tell me.
It won't let me touch it.
Tell me. Okay.
It won't let me touch it.
Let me touch
Oh, boy, you have to touch
Boy.
it. Touch it, boy.
Boy.
Yeah,
Touch the paper,
touch
boy.
it. Touch it real good.
Ooh, Lord, boy.
Boy.
Lord, it's a baby boy.
Oh, we got some hack silver.
Oh, Jiminy Christmas.
Jiminy Christmas, indeed. Smack this up. You always want to smack these vases because they have health or money and shit in them.
So Zelda.
Yes. All right, and then we got some more lore here.
Ooh, picture book. Ooh, that man does not look healthy on the right hand side.
Mother told me about
No.
it. A giant warrior
Ooh.
made of stone.
Ooh.
Looks like he was in a pretty big battle.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Odin's there.
somebody killed him, and
Thor?
it wasn't me.
Even the world serpent.
We need to fix this.
Oh,
That wasn't
Thor
me
must
who
have
killed them
smashed
all.
his head apart. See?
Everything in the future's on fire.
Look. Hrungnir's body.
Fire, fire, fire. Rock, rock.
Idiot.
Can you translate this for me, Cody?
Yeah,
Go- left
Josh.
left to right.
Okay,
Say
okay,
what's
okay.
that one say?
Okay, so this is the story of a girl who cried a river and drowned the whole world.
Oh, really?
And when she looked so sad in photographs, I absolutely loved her when she made this face.
Perfect.
Perfect.
How many days in a year?
365.
She only woke up, but you only have found fear. It starts the fucking song, Cody.
I don't know. I was just
God,
God, Josh.
you fucking ruined the bit.
Josh. Or did we ruin the bit because you know?
Or was that the entire bit to ruin the bit to have a bit?
Or was the bit inside a bit?
Was it bitception?
Stop on these green things. They look like boogers.
Oh,
All
okay.
right. Gotta get this. See, everything explodes when I step on it.
I'd believe if I was Kratos, I'd believe that. If because everything he touches, he ruins. So I mean,
Yeah, I mean, look at his face.
babble, babble.
Babble, babble, babble. Hey, Jimbo, remember when your mom was alive? I remember those days. Oh, man.
What was Jimmy's dog's name?
Goddard.
Goddard. All these things. And then what? You had Cindy, and then you had Sheen.
Oh,
What was the other girl's name?
Libby. Yeah.
And then then I forgot about my favorite character, Post Malone.
Post Malone. You mean Balby?
Balby. I'm loopy. I'm loopy.
I'm not afraid.
Oh, so sad, but happy for Balby.
Slap, slap, slap.
All right.
Clap, clap, clap.
See that bird up
You'll
there?
Stay out of it, boy.
That is a raven
no
of
more of this.
Odin, and it's gonna die.
Oh, you. Wow,
Okay.
you fucked
Not
up.
now, but now it's gonna die.
Oh. Bye,
There's
Pidgeot.
There's 51 of those scattered all across the area.
Bye, Murkrow.
All right, now.
Bye,
if
Talonflame.
I can't remember if. Yeah, I gotta break the rest of them here.
Break the walls.
Break the walls down.
Break the walls down.
All right, we go over here.
So we just dicking around? Like, was there, like, oh, we had to lower the bridge.
We have
Okay.
to lower the drawbridge, my boy.
We-
Like
Lower the bridge.
my boy.
My boy.
Boy.
Boy, boy, boy.
My boys.
My boys.
Cracking a cold one with the boys.
Saturdays for the boys.
Saturdays are for the boys. How's it going, dude?
How's it going?
How's it going, dude? You staying away from the alcohol?
Are you staying away from the boys?
Are you staying away from the boy?
Are you staying away from the boy?
Only one left.
2 seals. Oh, crap. There's another witch here. You ready for this? Here we go. Oh, there's White Walkers.
Oh my God, Game of Thrones.
You want to fucking rip off Game of Thrones?
Yes. Yes, they did. Oh my God.
Get over it.
Jon
Come
Snow.
here. Come
Jon
here.
Snow.
Come here.
Jesus.
This is why I think you're
Jesus.
This is why I think you're Jon Snow.
This is what happens when you yap, yap, yap.
Yep.
I'm gonna clap, clap, clap you.
Clap, clap, clap. Watch me clap back. clap back this.
Gratata.
Oh, there she is.
Oh.
Almost ready.
You're not almost ready.
You know, maybe if you just talk to her, she would just.
Oh
tell her
gosh,
how
there's
she's
a
feeling.
big boy.
Oh, there's.
Hey,
there's
hey, you
a
mind?
boy.
We're trying to bond here with my dead wife and his mother. Hey, Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom. Lemon cookies. Her lemon cookies.
Your Carl impersonation's pretty spot on.
I don't even practice it either. It just comes natural. Oh God, there's two of them.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
It's like the authors of pain.
Oh, jeez, Rick.
Toka and Razor.
Rice. Oh, man, there's two Axie boys,
Oh,
and
there's two
then
Axie
there's
boys.
then there's this
And there's an arrow boy, I think, too.
what would you okay, so everybody's been saying boy. What do you do that for a girl?
Gals.
Yeah, like would you still say girl, but would it spell like G-U-R-L with like a boy and girl? Like I don't know, because I feel like there should be something for both. You know what I mean?
Sorry, Josh. I'm in survival mode right now.
Oh, clearly. Don't.
Oh, mother. Gosh, she's puking.
Oh, what's the okay? Wait. So if she pukes on you, do you get pukey damage?
Yeah, we get poison damage.
Oh.
There's elemental damage. Oh, hey, I got rage again. Rah! Rah! This is what I think of you, bitch. Oh, crap, she disappeared. Where's the other guy? Rah! Rah!
Jesus. I feel like every time you go in rage, Cody, you feel like yourself, like you feel like you have rabies.
I feel like I have the power.
I feel like you're foaming at the mouth.
Oh, gosh. Oh, where is she? Is she over here?
Well, I say a health bar, so that's my
Hey,
guess.
Jimbo,
Cody.
your mom's over here.
Babble, babble.
babble, babble, babble. That's all she did.
That's all she did. That's all she fucking did.
That's all she did. But she ain't doing it no more.
What are you doing?
I send her to where I send all the waifus.
Just all the way.
Yeah.
At the bottom of the lake.
Oh, come on, shoot more of your shit.
That's flamey boys. That's not healthy.
Oh yeah, I can shield this. What am I doing? Gosh, I
Living life wrong, Cody.
yeah, apparently.
Living life wrong.
Oh, is there two of them?
I don't. Do you see two of them, Cody?
I don't know.
Do you see two
I
of
don't
them?
know. Maybe my PTSD is catching up with me.
Probably is.
I'm not ready.
Boy, shoot more arrows. Boy, I want you to shoot more of them arrows. Boy. Jim jam, son.
Jim Jam.
Ooh, look at all that hack silver we got. We got 673 hack silver from that.
Proud of you. You know what we also got?
Yeah.
The end of another episode.
Oh gosh.
Oh. No.
Next time we'll continue through this beautiful area. Look at this beautiful area, John.
And for those who are new to this, maybe this is your first episode, go back, check the rest of the series, like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, give us a big slap, and a
Clap,
and come back next time.
Lights but a walking shadow.
Thanks.